Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Herne Bay taking a look at Flat 1, number 40 C Street. Now, this is a very unique property indeed, and we start the tour today by taking a look at this fantastic garage and workshop space in the front garden area. Now, this space measures at about 38.8 feet. Of course, that's 11.79 meters if you work with those numbers, and of course it occupies a portion of the front garden area here. Now, you've got plenty of off-road parking, and the garden space here at the front is very private. Really nice low maintenance area, which does incorporate a barbecue space as well. And if you are looking for that nice easy option low maintenance property, this is probably going to be the one for you. We've got a range of amenities right on the doorstep here, with of course the small shop on just on the right hand side of the property, and of course plenty of bus links here as well. Now, if you're looking for an easy short walk into the main town here in the high street, then again look no further than this property here, because we've got a short walk through to the seafront as well. Now, coming into the main property itself, you've got this really nice spacious internal hallway space, and this is where all of the reception areas are focused off of. Now, the lounge space here is wonderful, really nice and open, nice tall ceilings. You've got that nice wood burning stove there in the fireplace, and again you've got that really nice little view out from the window there at the front, letting all of that natural light flood through. And the one thing to notice with this lounge area here is it's large enough to incorporate a dining space as well. Now, the kitchen here, nice and clean and good size, nice and modern. You've of course got the boiler there in the corner, plenty of room under the counters for appliances, and again plenty of worktop space and storage space. Now, coming back through the main lounge area, we're going to go through and take a look at the bathroom and the bedroom here that we have with the property. Coming back through into the hallway space here, on the right hand side we've got a good sized family bath and shower room, with of course the loo with the concealed cistern on the right hand side with the sink, and then of course the bath and the shower unit. Now, really interesting space in the middle here would make for a fantastic dressing room or study, or very small room like a nursery. Now, coming through to the end here, we have the main bedroom number 1, with plenty of room for the double bed and plenty of storage. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, and don't forget to take a look at the details that we have, because of course we do have the cellar here as well, which is certainly worth asking about.